Welcome to your total tummy workout. For that waistline, we'll need one weight, so get it handy. Let's begin working that waistline. Whittle it away. Let's go. And twist, twist. Bend your knees to protect your back. Squeeze your buttocks, and it's all about working the upper part of the torso. That's it. And twist, and twist. Great. Really feel that waistline working. Tighten up that tummy as you do this. Good. Tighter, tighter. Good. Now twist it out, side and side. Notice you get a little lower. That's it. Work that waistline. Great. Push, push. That's it. Twist it, twist it. Last one. Good. And go to the center. Pump it. Good. Work that waist. Now to the other side. That's it. Come on, really reach it. Reach it. Great. Keep your buttocks nice and firm. Squeeze that bottom to really target tone the waistline. That's it. Last one. Good. Now we did the torso trimmer. Now I want you to do the sides of the waistline. Bend your knees. Side, side, side. That's it. Working the sides of the waistline. Get that elbow higher. Get it up there. Come on. Work that waistline. No more love handles that we hate. Great. Two more. Last two. Good. Hold it right here now and reach it out side to side. Isolate through the sides of the waistline. That's it. And reach, reach. That's good. Shoulders are down. That's it. Shoulders are down. That's good. Two more. Last one. And hold it, hold it. Pull up, zip up those abs. Okay, pull your tummy in and let's begin. Bring your arm up and pull and pull and pull. That's it. Really pull through the lower tummy. It's pulling in. Good. Contract the abs. Great. Now pull. Really feel it in. Belly button in. Navel in. Two more. Last one. Side, 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 side. Lift it higher. Lift higher. Lift. Last one. And switch. Good. And lift and lift. Really squeeze the sides of the waistline. Cinch it in. Cinch it. That's it. Great. Sculpt. Last one. And release. Okay, grab that one weight. Bring that weight right overhead. Feel the length through the spine. That's it. And side to side. This is target toning the entire waistline area. The entire area. Squeeze your butt as you do this. Side to side. Really tighten up the tummy and the butt. That's it. Work that waistline. Two more. Got one more. And release. Okay, come on down. Sit on the floor and let me see you sit up nice and tall. Bend your knees to protect your back. Reach your arms straight overhead. Is your back straight? Hold it straight. And now slowly roll down using one vertebrae at a time. Using your ab muscles. Use it, use it, use it. Take it back up, 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 up. Let me see that beautiful, nice, strong back again. Okay, it's on the abs here, so use your abdominals. Really scoop out the abs. Scoop it out. Pull it back up, up, up. That's it. Hold it up there. Good. This time, go all the way down. We hold it. Go all the way down. Beautiful. Place your weight right back here, and we're gonna now do some lower tummy crunches. This is all for below the belly button. Bring it up and release. Take your time here. Target tone below the belly button. I know this is the area most of us have to worry about. So here's the best exercise, but focus on the lower tummy. Really that triangle between your hip and the pelvic bone. This is where you're target toning. Use the lower tummy. This is a great ab lower tummy tightener. This is what I did after both babies to get flat in my tummy again. Last one. Okay, and now hold it up and release. Now I want you to just bring your side and bring it here. Side, control it through the waistline. Side, that's it. Good, keep it going side to side, using the abdominals. That's it, never dropping your feet too low. Last one. Okay, and now place that weight behind you, hold it behind you, and slowly bring it up and hold and release. Great. Slowly bring it up and hold, feel it, and release. That's it. Again, bring it up, hold it, feel 100% of abdominal strength. This is working the whole flat of your belly. Hold it up there, hold it up there. And release. Place that weight down on the floor. And now let's bring your knee to your chest and the other leg extended. Head and shoulders come up off the floor and press to the other side. Right now your tummy should be nice and flat. Press the small of the back into the floor and really hold yourself upright. That's it, really feel it. That's great. We got 2 more here. Last one. And now try straighten the leg. Reach it higher up there. Come on, work those abs. It's worth it. You'll have that toned, tight tummy you've always wanted. And release. And come all the way up. Sit up nice and tall. Let me see that smiling face. Bring your knees in and out and in and out. This is great for the front of that tummy and the lower abs. Come on, whittle that waistline. It's worth it. Really feel it. Stabilize the core. Pull it in, draw in those abs. That's it. Now go side to side. In and side. That's it. Working that waistline. Wonderful. Make that waistline go in. Good. Couple more. Just like that. In. Crisscross. That's it. Last one. Okay, now bring the legs up. Let's try and challenge yourself. Try a V-sit. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Use your abs, use them, engage your abs, and release. Okay, let's go on to our tummies in a nice low hover for plank position, and hold yourself right here. It's all about the abs. Tone and tighten up the abs. Pull those abs up and in. Squeeze the buttocks. Really tone and tighten up your abs. This is working the transverse abdominis muscle that holds your tummy in throughout the day. Now just tap and tap and tap. That's it. Now you're engaging a little more lower abs, really target toning that entire front tummy. Great. Hold it, hold it. Hold it right here. Now we're going to do something different. Drop your hip and up. Drop your hip and up. This is a little challenging, so only do a couple of these if you want. We got 2 more. We got 1 more. And now we hold it here. Good. And release. Let's come back to the elbow right here in a beautiful low hover. And if you can, lift up your hips and hold it right here. Hold it. That's it. Now let's do a couple crunches. Bring it down and reach it back up. That's it. But lift your hips up. Don't let them droop or drag. And lift. We got 2 more. 1 more. It's worth it. It's for the sides of the waistline. Reach and hold. Hold, hold, hold. And now release. Bring your hips up and down. Bring them up and down. Working both sides of the waistline. I love this one. It really makes your waistline cut in. You look awesome. Lose an inch around the waist. 2 more. Lift it up and down. Last one, up. Perfect. Okay, the other side. Let's work on the other side. First of all, lift your hips up if you can. Stay right here. Lift your elbow behind you. Hold it up there. Isometric hold. Tight, tight, tight. Now let's crunch forward and lift up and forward. Squeeze the tummy as you come up. Really feel it. Suck in the gut here. Belly button in. Draw your navel in. Last one. Pull those abs up and in. And release. Bring your legs together. Just lift it up and lower. Really feel it. Squeeze it right there. Really want you to feel it right there. Oh yeah. You can do it. Yes, you can. Okay, couple more just like that. Really feel it. Lift your hips. Come on, let me see you lift them. Higher. Last one. Hold it up there. And release. Wonderful. Okay, now I really want you to think about good posture. Sitting up nice and tall. Hold it up and plank it up. Lift, lift, lift your chest. Hold it up. Reverse plank. Hold, hold, hold. Strong abs. And release. Good. One last exercise for the back. And reverse and hold. Reciprocal reach. Lift, squeeze your abs, squeeze your butt. Back is strong. Working the rector spinae muscles. Hold it up. Good. A couple more. Hold it up and release. Inhale up and exhale. And there you did it. Your ultimate tummy workout.